I'm gonna be doing a fire alarm system test, walk test. That's set on strobe only. I gotta find that pen that I was using earlier. Don't know what I did with the pen. Oh, there's one here. I was set on 15. This is set on 3,000 hertz. Let's do this one. Forgot to put a chair here. Let's grab this chair. Don't know why I put that pen down. Ignore background noises you might hear. Hold on. I'm doing a video. Hold on, I'm doing a video. Hold on, I'm doing a video. Sorry about that. I gotta wait for that to turn on now. Let's try to give it a few seconds. This is my bedroom. You know what? I should do carbon monoxide alarms in my next video. There. I don't know if you saw that light, but whatever. Now we got the final smoke detector, which is in this bedroom over here. Actually, I almost forgot about the one in the other bedroom, bedroom 1, which is the master bedroom. What's wrong with me? I forgot about that one. This bedroom. Ugh. I don't know if you saw that light, but I saw the strobe flash. No, there's one more smoke detector I gotta do. And then I move on to carbon monoxides. This don't have battery in it because I'm gonna be replacing them soon. And this one also doesn't have a battery. Oh, I put a door closer on my garage door. See? To make it close by itself. And look in here. A smoke detector. The last one. And I'll reset the system. There goes the green light. Don't know why that green light came on, because there's no power to it. On my last video, I did a system. I tested the system without power, so to make sure the batteries were working. But that's why there was no power. But anyways, thanks to you for watching.